What's up, my YouTube family? Once again, I'm back with my next vlog. This is Raj Roy, and today, guess what? After coming to Pune for so many years, finally today I'm going to Lonavala. It's a sudden trip, and I'm going on a solo trip. So, guess what? How I'm going? I'm going to share the entire trip details with you. I've decided to go on a bike, and I'm right now here in Lane C in Koregaon Park, and see the bike which I've taken. So this is Pulsar 220, and this is Lane C in Koregaon Park. So you can see this area. So there's a car rental service called SK Cars, and from there they can help you with bikes also if you want. They give car rentals, but they can help you with bikes also if you need. These are my friends. So new friend I met, Dinesh, Praveen, Jeevan. You'll find them there. If you need any kind of cars in rental in Pune to go anywhere, you can contact them. So we are all set to go to Lonavala. So guys, just now I filled petrol for 500 rupees. I could have filled for more, but this trip I want to show you that how much you can do in lowest cost possible. So Lonavala is one side around 75 kilometers from here, and two side becomes 150 plus add 10-20 kilometers more if you want to roam around. So it's time to head to Lonavala. Next stop is going to be Pimpri, then Chinchwad, and then I'm going to tell you where I'm going. So stay with me. Let's start the journey right here from Pune. So guys, this is the Deccan College Road I'm taking, and from here we'll exit Pune and go towards Lonavala. And right now my trip meter is showing 41719. So I'll show you exactly how much it reaches once I reach Lonavala. So I'm passing through Khadki cantonment area, and Bombay Sappers army area is here, and this is a Khadki cantonment area road, so I'll be passing through this. Now I'll be passing through Holkar Bridge, and I'll go straight and take towards left, as you can see, towards Bombay. We'll be basically taking Old Bombay Highway. And guys, this is not a motor vlog, this is basically my solo trip to Lonavala. I'm riding alone, so I can't shoot while riding. So whenever I stop in between in places, I'll show you. And even apart from eating and drinking like this, also I'm randomly stopping at important points so that you know the route I'm taking. So guys, I'm passing through Karki War Cemetery, and a big salute and respect to all the bravehearts who have sacrificed their lives in line of duty for the nation. So a big salute to them. Let's continue the journey, guys. So through Karki we have finally reached the Pune-Mumbai National Highway, that is NH60, and I'm going to take a right, and we'll take the old National Highway, not the new expressway. Otherwise you'll be fined if you're on a two-wheeler. Two-wheelers are not allowed on the new expressway. This is NH60 we're taking. And I'm right here riding on National Highway 60, old Mumbai-Pune or Pune-Mumbai Highway. As we are continuing our journey, so this is the bridge we are crossing, which is Shri Sant Janeshwar Maharaj Pul, and on my left is the railway line. And just some time back, guys, I crossed Khadki railway station on my left hand side. The station was on my left hand side, so you can get an idea the route we are taking. Let's continue. So we are crossing the Pimpri area right now. So right now I'm crossing Dehu Road and Dehu Kant area, and as I told you before, I'm on National Highway 60, Mumbai Pune Highway. So you don't have to do anything, take any off-roads or any left right, just follow National Highway and we'll reach Lonavala. And as you can see, Lonavala is 40 kilometers from here, and this highway goes till Mumbai. Lonavala falls in between. Okay guys, time for my first stop and my lunch. I'm here at Hotel Mawar Hills in Talegaon, and I'm gonna have my food here. So this will be first break. Before I have my food, let me just show you the place. So I've shown you from outside, and this is from inside. This is a family area. You can sit, and this is the outside area. Very nice and clean place. Hotel Mawal Hills. Veg, non-veg, you get everything. You got nice parking area also out here. So let's go enjoy our food inside. Guys, we are here for lunch and I've ordered a special mutton thali, and just look at it. This looks so yummy. So ये भाई समझाएंगे क्या क्या है इसमें. भाई थोड़ा बता देंगे. ये हो गया भाकर.
ये भाकर है, ये ग्रेवी है, चिकन मटन ग्रेवी.
मटन ग्रेवी.
ये हरा मटन मसाला.
हरा मटन मसाला, ग्रीन मटन मसाला.
और ये सुक्का.
मटन सूखा, मटन ड्राई. And this is rasa.
रसा है. ये आने रसा है. ये पांच रसा.
This is like stew, and these are special rasas, basically like gravy for mutton. So I'm gonna enjoy my meal, and this costed how much? कितना दाम था इसका? 400 ना? This costed 400. So let's enjoy our meal. Bon appetite. So guys, the food is absolutely yummy, especially this bajre ki bhakarwari roti, and all the mutton, very soft, very delicious. And we have rice also included, so this also included in the meal, so you can include it and eat it. So this is also a nice outdoor area, and I'm done with my lunch over there. The food was amazing. Hello, he is Mr. BL Pawar. BL Pawar, and you will find him here. Hello, bol dijiye. Alright, so I'm leaving and I'm done with amazing food and these amazing people. Bye bye. Let's go, guys. Time to go to Lonavala. And it's already almost 5 o'clock, so I'm anyways late. The light will come down in some time. I won't make any more stops. I'll straight away go to Lonavala. I'll try to take as many shots as possible. Rest I'll take tomorrow morning. Let's go to Lonavala. Here is my bike. And time to go. So guys, just look at this. This is so beautiful. I'm on the way towards Lonavala, and I thought of stopping and taking this amazing shot. Awesome. I think we'll be in Lonavala in around 20 to 30 minutes. It's getting dark, so let me go fast. This is where I am right now, guys. Just have a look at this. What a beauty. Right about to reach Lonavala. Absolutely awesome. That is. So guys, we've reached near Lonavala, and you can see Wax Museum is there, and we have like the Chikki houses. So let me just inquire whether we've actually, how far to go, or is this part of Lonavala? I've come for first time out here, so even I don't know. Let me just ask the guy. Is this before Lonavala market or is this Lonavala itself? I'll just ask. भाई लोनावाला कितना दूर है यहाँ से?
चालू हो गया लोनावाला.
चालू हो गया, और मैं YouTube का बना रहा हूँ इसलिए. तो अपना ये इस टाइम पे मतलब क्या टाइगर हिल बेस्ट रहेगा ना?
हाँ.
और आपके यहाँ चिक्की है क्या? कितने बजे तक खुला है आपका?
टेस्ट तो करो कंपनी की तरफ से.
थोड़ा सा देना. So guys, I'm tasting this लोनावाला चिक्की. क्या बोलते हैं इसको, क्या नाम?
मलाई चिक्की.
एक सेकंड, हेलमेट खोलना पीछे. आपका दुकान का भी मैं डाल दूंगा. मलाई चिक्की. कैसे का क्या?
120 to 50 grams. Hello ma'am, taste.
काय रे?
मलाई चिक्की.
So guys, I think I'll take one. Let me just show you the name of shop. This is not sponsored or anything. I was just passing by, randomly stopped. This is Mangalal's Chikki. So it was really nice. I'll buy more, but I don't want to use too much time, it will get dark. I need to see some points. एक दे दीजिए भैया. Okay guys, so few updates. We have not reached proper Lonavala. That is still 10 kilometers from here. Number 2, this is one Wax Museum, but there are many more other Wax Museums in Lonavala. There are like 5-6. One is main and that is the other one. The station is around 7 kilometers from here. Main Lonavala is around 10 kilometers and the famous Tiger Point is almost 25-30 kilometers. So here is the start. There's some market and food joints and dhabas. Even they said hotels are here, but I'm gonna go quickly to main Lonavala and find a budget room for myself there. So let's go. I've taken one chikki, more I'll take there. So guys, I've almost reached Lonavala, just 1 kilometer away, and I'm having one fig. It's called Anjeer in Hindi. So let's enjoy this. I love this. Has to be one of my favorite fruits. I just love it so much. One piece costed me 10 rupees only, and it's very famous here in Lonavala area. So guys, we have reached main Lonavala market area, and now the thing is, I'll be finding my hotel somewhere here. More on that later. But right now, I'm going to try and go to Tiger Point. It's a point on a hill, and the sunset is really good there. But the only problem is sun has already almost set down, and this place is almost 20-25 kilometers away. So the plan is like this. I'll try and go to Tiger Point. In case it becomes dark in between or by that time before I reach there, I'll turn back, or I'll at least just take a round from there. Then I'll again go in morning, and I'll obviously visit other places in Lonavala. We'll do the entire trip of Lonavala in morning itself only, because now it's not possible. Alright guys, so I'm in main Lonavala market area, and I got a very important update. I was just going to Tiger Point and it's already almost getting dark, and I thought I'll just go, as I told you some time back, that I'll try and go and just show you a bit even in the dark. But I've been told by a couple of people on the way when I asked for direction that not to go there in dark. They said it's extremely unsafe for anyone to go to any point in dark, because if I'm going alone, they say firstly it's a dangerous area because it's hills and all, so anyways it's quite risky terrain wise. But more than that, another risk is that I might be alone and it might be dark and there might not be enough security or police, so there's a chance that some other mischievers can try and loot you, harass, anything can happen. So basically they suggested it's advisable to just stay here only for the night and then go in the morning. So anyways, even I was kind of thinking the same, that it was getting dark. Even I was in two minds. Even if I would have gone there, it would have got totally dark. So what I'll do now is, I'm in Lonavala market area. I'll try and find a room, and then I'll roam around the market and show you the market as well. So let me find a room and get back to you.